What's up XRP holders? So this is very urgent update for all XRP holder because XRP fails down. Therefore my friend, I make this video very urgent to what's the prediction in upcoming days, they moving up or they fails down more. So let's start this brand video. What's the target of XRP? This is also very important in what's my opinion to sell, hold or buy. Let's start the XRP video. My friend, please, if you are new on our channel, kindly subscribe AVS Tech channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much. Okay, come to the point. This time, if you can see here, I already opened the last 3 days chart, and then you can see here this time change occur is a negative. So why there? What's the reason to this change occur is a negative? The reason is that this is the start of a month and every cryptocurrency fails down in the start of a month. Okay my friend, this time you can see here the latest price is 1.66 US dollar. I think the price is increased now in those days, but definitely you can see here the start of a month every coin fails down, so therefore XRP also fails down. So I think if the change occurs in a negative, therefore as a negative, then therefore the price is also decreased now. So let's see my friends, to upcoming days they moving up or they fails down. But please, if you are new on our channel, kindly subscribe this channel. Okay, this time you can see here I already draw a chart. You can see here after a fails they take a jump, and this circulation every cryptocurrency is moving up. Okay, so after this jump, after this fails they take a jump, and after this fail you can see here this circulation is continuous. After a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. So this circulation if continuously start moving up, then exactly my friends the jump time is coming soon. The jump time is coming soon. In upcoming time XRP is completely go in the moon. So kindly holders, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the XRP in upcoming time is moving very fastly up, so kindly hold it. And if you have any plan to buy more, then buy it because the price is very cheap. I hope if they go up, then they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching XRP holder. Hope you understand and enjoy this update. Please like this video, subscribe this channel.